back to my channel. And today is the day where the moms used to celebrate their day, that is the Mother's Day. And this vlog is fully dedicated for all the mothers there. So happy Mother's Day to all the moms there watching me and also in this whole world. So happy Mother's Day. We all know that whatever mothers used to do, but do we know or do we have observed in our life that what the mothers do but they do not show to us? Well, that's her own sacrifices that she didn't show to us, because she doesn't want that even we have to face any of the sorrowness or anything. Well, she always wants our family or us to be very happy in our lives while we are in childhood. Well, I know that some of my viewers didn't live with their mother, and they must have noticed that uh, they used to work very hard whole day, but one thing which is incomplete for the whole day, and that is only one thing, which is the love of mother or the care of which is given by our mother. So yeah, our moms used to give the love and care, and that's why it's complete with the whole day. But if didn't, then we used to see that something is missing, like something is not there with us. Like, I have everything in my life, I have every enjoyment in my life, but still I have something which is missing, and that is my mom's love. Well, most of you must have noticed that your mother used to do the works, that is the home works. Well, this is not the homework which is given by our teachers, which is generally forced by our teachers to do it by today or till tomorrow, but that is not the work. She used to do the home's work, that is for her own satisfaction. Like, she used to think that while doing this, it's just the love which she used to spread on the floors or in the food, and we used to smell it, or we used to found it very delicious, and that's her own love which is mixed in it. To spend money for going to the schools or for studying, but she used to do her work without any taking any cost or without spending anything. Just she wants that it's the love which cannot, which is not free. Actually, it's a memorable thing which cannot be even expressed. I am expressing just in a few words, but it cannot be expressed at all. To complete the work every day. Actually, it's a limit that she used to complete her work every day, as she knows that it's a responsibility and she has to do for seeking the love, for giving the love. And you, all of you know that it's just the thing, like somebody like most of you must saying that no, I used to tell it to my mother to do some work, but no, she used to do her work as she know that yes, she has to do. If some work is there where you have to do it yourselves, then she is not going to interpret, because she knows that all of us need some privacy in our lives. After completing that work, she used to do these home works every day. Actually, she's repeating the same work every day, and even she doesn't get bored, because she knows that it's excitement. It's type of an excitement which used to come whenever she woke up in the morning, and she used to bring used to just make some breakfast and everything, and just praise her husband or her child with everything. All of you must have heard a phrase that is, the God cannot be present at everywhere and every time, so they have made moms. Actually, they have made the girls which used to grow up with their maturity, where their responsibilities have been taken place, where she becomes bride and then a wife of a great husband, and then comes with the feeling of a mother. Call it as a mom. So this feeling can never be expressed. Like, if you ask your mother to express your feelings whenever you were giving birth to me, like, she can never express it, because she only knows what all the things have happened in her life whenever when she was giving birth to you. You have noticed that every single minute we used to think about our mother. Like, even though we are in troubles, or at every time we used to think about, every single minute used to think about our mother. Like, for example, there is a case like whenever you want something, you didn't even go to your father, you firstly go to your mother and ask her to just please give me, and she used to bought it and just give it to you if she can. Even though when you are in trouble, or you fall on the ground from some of the heights, then you used to firstly think or remember about your mother. When you used to say parents in Hindi, it's Mata Pita, like the mother's name used to come first, because mother is the only power there in this world who can change your life. Is that auspicious day where they used to celebrate it as she has a feeling of mother, and actually this is the day where this is the day to celebrate the thing where they have positioned themselves as a mom, which can only be praised and on the place of God. For my viewers to your mother. Actually, it's a COVID pandemic going on, so I know you may cannot go outside. But if you have something at the home, like if you have mobiles, I know it's online classes going on, and all of my viewers must be having some mobiles, so you can give a photo, or you can make a collage, some creative things, which I've also done with my mom by making a collage there, and I've uploaded on my Instagram account, that is VLG Rishikant. So you can check it out, and if you want like how I have made, then I can make a separate vlog for that particular thing also. Well, before ending this vlog, I would like to say at least a phrase like it's for my mother, or all the mothers there, all the moms there, that my mom will never end her love from the beginning of my life till the death of my end. All the mothers there watching me, or all the mothers in the world, once again, and please celebrate your day with some great food or with some memorable things in your life, so that may God give power to all the mothers there to just make their environment, their family to be joyful, and also just take their husband or the child out of the trouble or the worst condition, from the worst conditions to a joyful condition. So hope you guys like the video. If you like, then please click the like button. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe it and press the notification bell on, so that you can get the updates, and even comment your thoughts that whatever you have done with your mother today, so that I can also get some motivation for that. Like, see, comments are like motivation, so you please give some comments to my videos so that I can improve myself. So tada, bye bye, shabba khair. We will see you in the next video. Tab tak ke liye tada.